Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Alright, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to take a look at some French style dining rooms. Now, French style home decor is all about style. It's very exquisite, it's very charming. It's just all around beautiful, and if you like that type of look, why not surround yourself in it daily by decorating your home that way? Now, a lot of people say the kitchen is the heart of the home, but I would have to slightly disagree, not all the way. I truly feel like if you have a dining room or your dining area or your dining zone, for those people that don't have dining rooms, I believe that's the true heartbeat of your house. Think about it, your kitchen table or your formal dining table. That's where you sit to share meals, where you sit to share memories, to share stories. It sees the best in the family and in some situations the worst in a family. I truly believe that's the one piece of furniture that just really knows a family, if that makes sense. It sounds kind of weird, but I've always felt that way. The dining room is the room that we share a lot of ourselves in, not just with the family, but with friends as well. When friends come over, they don't go in your bedroom, they don't, hang out in your bathrooms the whole time. A lot of people are gathered around the table, just talking, reminiscing, and connecting. Now, if you are one of those beautiful, beautiful people that prefer French style decor, which I absolutely love, you have some decisions to make. Do you want to go more of a formal French style, almost like a French chateau? Do you want to infuse some rustic pieces? Do you want to infuse modern details in it to make a French modern dining room or French modern home? A lot of people also add tons of vintage items in there, which I feel really makes a French themed room. You have pieces and furniture that really tells a story. A lot of it is very old and can go back generations and just really gives you the vibe you want for a French style room. But let's focus on dining rooms. So you'll see a lot of themes when it comes to French style dining rooms. You may see neutral color palettes, a lot of earthy colors that are used. Of course, like we stated, you'll see a lot of vintage accessories and accent pieces located throughout the room, especially untreated or weathered type wood. You'll also see some pops of greenery and nature, which kind of brings you back to the French chateau or French countryside feel. Okay, so this isn't going to be a chatty video. I just wanted to speak to you a little bit about that. I will let you all enjoy the video and I will pop in at the end. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.